Hello everyone. Hello Team Best. We will have Sprint 2 planning meeting today. And as we all know, we just finished the Sprint 1 and we finished the 27 story points and we completed the we have our team velocity is about 22% and we deliver the function about the um, users can get a diagnosis from our application. That's good, and we will planning the sprint 2 today. Okay, this is the workflow of our meeting today. And first, we already have completed the user story and the segment criteria for the whole project. Then we will decide on our goal in the sprint 2. Okay, everyone. Do you have some like idea or some thinking about the sprint 2's goal?
Yes, so in sprint one, we trained our model on the less number of images, that is another data set, and we are going to do it on HM data set, which has more number of images
Mm-hmm.
in this sprint. So I think that's the primary goal, to train our model on a larger data set, so we have a
Mm-hmm.
better prediction.
Mm-hmm. So we can have so user can have like more skin conditions and more accuracy, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And you, user can also get treatment recommendations based on the predicted result.
Okay. Mm. The treatment recommendations.
Based on the predicted disease.
Okay, it's there no
Okay.
condition. Okay.
Yes.
Other
And
people, Lindsay, do you have some idea?
No.
and
Okay, then continue.
and yeah, we can also may try to do the feature of creating a report, generating a report after
Yeah.
diagnosed condition.
After the output?
Yes, like
Mhm.
generate a report with
With what? Diagnosis?
yeah, with diagnosis and treatment recommendations. Yes. uh, and one of the main goal is to also write a technical paper.
Oh, yes, that's true. Right. Technical paper. Yes. That's
Yes,
how?
yes, anyone else?
Yeah. Anyone else? I think
Mhm.
maybe
Oh,
this
one.
report users can like export it as a maybe PDF or something.
Yeah, these we can define it in user stories.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
One of
Just
us
idea.
can change presentation, PPT slides, because last minute we are doing, right? So we can change simultaneously. If we're done this part, we can do the presentation
No, like
slides.
no, it's not a goal. Yes,
Okay.
like we have to do it, but it's not a goal of this sprint. I think that's it. Or anyone else have any
Mm,
other point? No, I think that's it then. You can,
Okay, maybe that's done.
yes.
So about the sprint backlog, I already create. You also can open the Jira or this is our backlog with Jira. This part is our sprint one. You can see
yeah.
we completed we have 31 points and we remain um so first I will move the in progress point we're remaining in the sprint one to this sprint. Is it okay for you?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So long. Yeah. Yeah, and I already create two like technical user stories. First one is technical paper, and second one is task cases for Spring 2. We can discuss about the story points later.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Now we can review the backlog and select them to the Spring 2.
So the first thing is according the one of the thing we did wrong in the last sprint, like in
Yeah.
sprint one, is we didn't assign story points according to Fibonacci sequence. So let's
Mhm.
let's first fix the story points for all the user stories.
Okay.
Okay.
You
So
want to adjust the story points for all user stories in the
yes,
backlog.
yes,
Okay.
yes,
Okay, that's
according to the Fibonacci series.
yeah,
So
yeah, yeah. Yeah, we can go through them
yes.
one by one. Yeah. First
So
one, I will read it for you. Okay.
no, like like we can just change it to the nearest Fibonacci sequence. First, we can change all of them to the nearest Fibonacci sequence. Okay. Then one by one we can go and then you can read it and then we will move it to sprint to backlog. First, let's just fix the story points to the nearest Fibonacci number. Like 6, we can change it to 5,
Uh-huh.
or if you have 7, we can change it to 8, like nearest Fibonacci number.
What do you mean? I don't understand. You mean the ID of user story?
No, the story points
Oh,
in the
okay,
backlog,
okay.
we can change it to nearest number without reading all the story points. We can just change it. Like change 6
Okay.
the
You mean about the skin like 6 2 as a
62.
point this one? You want
Yes.
to change it to 5?
Yes.
Yes.
5.
Wow.
Yeah. The next one also you can do it 5.
But
63.
You go. You read so quick.
No, no, that's what I'm saying. We will not read it. We will just
Mhm.
change it to the
change it.
nearest number without reading
Okay.
it. Then we can read one by one and add it into sprint to backlog. First, we can just change all the numbers.
But I don't know if other like teammates don't agree with you or have some other
We
thing.
can read it,
No.
but first we have to change those ones, then next
Okay.
we'll read it one by one.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
So the others are good. Maybe you can go a bit down, scroll down. More. Yeah,
Change 4.
huh?
Yeah.
Skin 65. Skin 65.
Change 5. 3 or 5.
All right, this
Yeah, you
one.
can change it to 5. Yes. Yeah, and skin 29. It's below this. Yeah,
Mm.
you can change it to 5
Okay.
and go down.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, I think that's it. Now you can go one by one.
Okay. Okay, but we also can change the story points now or not.
Yes, we can.
We can.
Okay.
Now you can open one, read one, and accordingly we can decide story points and add it to sprint to backlog.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this one is as a patient, I want the application to recognize more skin conditions so that I can so it can diagnose a wider range of issues.
Uh,
I think it should be in the sprint.
yes, but I think it should be. You can go to user story once
Uh-huh.
so that you can change so that I can get a wider range of diagnosis. So that I can get
I can
get
get
a
the
wider range of diagnosis. Yes.
okay.
Expanded to recognize up to 20.
Do you think 20 is okay in the acceptance criteria?
No,
Seems
the thing is the data set we decided to train it on. I don't exactly know how many skin conditions we have in this. Does anyone
Yeah. Like it's more than 15.
more than 50?
Right now we
Yeah.
have around 21.
21. So the thing you can uh,
okay,
you can
about
decide
20. I think is okay.
20 or more. You can put 20 or more
Yeah.
skin conditions
Okay.
to recognize 20 or more. No, you don't type plus 20 or more.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. But the acceptance. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Who is going to?
Otherwise, else how do you think about the like story points and do you have any idea about like how to implement this one? We can do it more carefully this time.
Mm.
So maybe we can put all the user stories we are going to do in the sprint to backlog. Then we can divide it into tasks one by one.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, true. Okay. As a patient, I want the diagnosis accuracy to be improved so that I can trust the AI result. I think
So
maybe
I
you
can
can do
trust the
AI.
results. The results. That's it. Yeah.
Do you think 90% reasonable?
Is
I think it's too high.
it's too high.
It's too high.
It's between 70 to 80%.
Yeah,
Maybe 80.
yeah. 90 is too high.
I think we can do this in sprint. In the sprint. Sprint. Okay.
As a patient, I want to receive the diagnosis result in a timely
Yeah.
manner so that I can act quickly.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think
as soon as possible it should be.
yeah, it's strange. What happened?
Yeah.
Mm,
And then you can go through the acceptance criteria, read it out. Read the acceptance criteria.
Okay. So its result should be response under 1 minute. I think it's okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think it's
And if it can't, it should give information to the user. That's okay.
it's okay.
It's a non-function.
Mhm.
As a patient, I want to receive a brief description of the diagnosed condition so that I can understand about the skin issue I'm facing.
Yes, we can do this in the sprint too.
Yeah.
No, you can read out the acceptance criteria as well.
Okay. So about this user story, it's like after receiving the diagnosis, the patient is provided with a brief description of the diagnosed condition. This description is written in a clear, understandable language and include common symptom and causes.
No, the last point you can remove. The description includes.
So what is this description?
No, the
Should
description is basically
is
what disease it is, and I think we can do. Yeah, okay, it's good. Okay, I think we can add about this in the database. Yeah, move it to sprint 2.
this one. This user story is as a patient, I want to receive treatment recommendations so that I can take action towards treating my skin condition. This one is match our goal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you guys think about?
This
Yeah,
one.
we can do
Yeah,
this in this
we
sprint,
can do
right?
this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And so acceptance criteria is after receiving the brief description, the patient is provided with treatment recommendations. These recommendations should based on evidence and appropriate for the diagnosis condition. I mean, it's reasonable. And the information includes suggested over-the-counter remedies or when to seek professor medical attention.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
It can include, but not must, right?
yeah, that's why it is
Yeah.
or when to seek, like whenever it is needed, like if
Yeah, when
major
needed.
skin issue.
Yeah. So I can when.
No, it's good. It's good. No,
Okay.
it's already good. Yes.
Okay, we can write here, but we all understand it's when we need, when it's needed. Okay.
No, it's written already. When to seek.
Oh yeah, when to see.
Yes. So you can move this to the sprint 2 backlog.
Yes.
Okay. Move it. So
Yes.
everyone is agree with this one?
Yes.
This one
I want
is
to view a comprehensive
about a
report.
report.
Yes.
As a patient, I want to review a comprehensive report of a case so that I have a complete record of my skin condition assessment.
Yes. We can, yeah, like, the with the necessary, like, as of now, we are not going to do user account management. So we will now not have any personal details of the patient in the report, but we can
Yeah,
just we can create a basic template with
yeah.
with treatment recommendation and diagnosis disease, like predicted disease,
Mm-hmm.
and we can leave blank all the other details, and later when we do it we can just populate it with this.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
acceptance criteria.
Do you think a 3 point is reasonable? It's okay.
Yes, you can read the acceptance criteria once.
Uh, okay, this one is about after we have a report, then we can download it.
No, skin 21, the one you moved it to. Yeah, you didn't
Yeah,
read the acceptance
21.
criteria.
Anything else?
You didn't go through the acceptance criteria.
Okay, okay.
Good.
So about this report is patient can create it and access it from their diagnosis page very easily.
Okay. Yes.
And when they create this, already have this report, they can see the layout of this report is user friendly and the clear sections, heading, and maybe it will have some images on it, and all this should be displayed clearly.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. And about the contents of the report, it should have some meta like when is the time
Mm-hmm.
when the patient visit the uh, our visit this application, and maybe if we have some information on patient, maybe. And of course, our AI diagnosis of the skin condition. And without we said we will have some brief descriptions and treatment recommendations before. So maybe the report should include this all contents.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think it's good. Anyone else like?
Data.
It's good.
Yes.
Meta, MET.
No, why did you change it?
Because it mentioned something we don't
No,
need
the
to.
thing is, yeah, the thing is, we can do it, but we can leave it empty. Like a basic report template will be created, okay,
Yeah.
and status will always be pending because we didn't do it now because we did not create yet. So status will always be pending. Once we in the next, like, whenever we do this user story
Mhm.
of dermatologist, we can just populate it. We can just change the results, change the data in the report.
Okay.
As of now, it will remain pending, but when we do it, like when we add dermatologist feature as well, then we can just change the after what you call change the data what we assign in the report, so it will
But
automatically.
we don't have a dermatologist review status now, so we don't know it's pending or not.
No, the thing is, we didn't do it. That's why it's pending.
I mean, you should create a dermatologist review system that it can have a status.
Yes. See, the thing is, it depends on another story. But now, as of now, we are just creating a template, like a basic format of the report. So it will include this, like dermatologist review, and it will show as pending. But once we always it will show always as pending. But once we implement this later on, at that time we can update it in our code, like instead of pending, just change it to whatever the actual value is.
Okay, I think it's okay, but we can do this in the next sprint if it mentioned dermatologist review, because we didn't mention this in this sprint.
I think
Right.
it's everyone get what I'm saying? Like
Because if you put it in the acceptance criteria, we should create a test cases for it. But how can we test if we don't have a dermatologist review?
mm-hmm. Yeah, okay.
Right.
Oh yeah, I get it now. But maybe we don't include this in the test case. But
But
yeah, okay, I get it now.
right.
Uh-huh. So yeah, you can remove it. Yeah.
Okay, go to next one.
Yes.
As a patient, I want to download this report so that I can keep the document of my skin condition assessments. Yes. And AC is there should have an option to download a report, and the report provides a downloadable format like PDF. And the downloaded document display the same layout as the web application.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay for everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
You have some suggestion? Good. Okay, this one.
How
As a
many story
patient, I
points did
want
we
to
did we
review
commit
my
till now?
past. Uh-huh.
How many story points did we commit till now?
23.
I think it's
23.
23 is now is to do, and we have 6 in progress. So the sum up is 29.
Okay.
We can
Okay.
still have, let me see, we can still have 2 points. Let me see.
I was just asking how many did we commit till now? You can go on to the product backlog.
Because we completed 27 user story points and 4 technical. So sum up is 31
You want?
last spring. Yeah.
Yes, but then the last sprint, many of us were busy with other courses, and as we discussed in our daily Scrum meetings, like
Yeah.
in this
Yeah.
in
Yes.
sprint 2, all of us can put more
Yeah.
hours. So I think we can commit few more story points than the sprint 1.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. That's okay.
Yeah, you
And
go to the product backlog. Continue, please.
this one. Okay.
Yes.
As a patient, I want to review my past cases and track their status, so that I can monitor my health progress and stay informed about the evaluations.
No, it
It's
should
more
not be
about
included.
like
It should be in the last sprint.
we should have a like registration. I mean, users should sign up and sign in first, then they can remove
Yes,
the
yes.
past cases,
Mm.
right?
Okay, so maybe you can, this is dependent on user account management. So, move on, go to the next one.
I don't know. Maybe this one.
This one.
I think all of the
Sprint
rest
3,
are dependent on,
dermatologist.
on user management.
Yeah, because if dermatologists don't, sign in how to access the patient
Mhm.
Yeah.
report.
So maybe we can do user management in this sprint, in sprint 2.
I think it should be in sprint 3, last one.
Why? Like these other stories are dependent on user management, so we have to do.
No, first we complete the portion of the dermatologist, then we can review it or do anything. So first we have to develop the part of the dermatologist.
Yeah, like dermatologist page, chat box, like that.
Yeah.
No. See, listen. The thing is, these user stories, like as a dermatologist, I want to access and view patient reports. So
Okay.
you should have your login credentials as dermatologist, then only you can view. Patient cannot view it. So for this to be applied, we have to do user management first. We have to create two users.
2 years, yeah.
So we have to do user management
Two
first for.
logins.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So it's like in as our primary goal is to build an MVP. It's like we don't have to spend much time on the login and sign up pages, like Google authentication and stuff. Just a simple login, like a simple page to create
Yeah,
login.
Yeah.
login page is not important, but for these other functions, maybe it should have a like login function and at least the user management system and the database.
Yes.
Yeah,
So maybe you can go down. We have user management stories at last, I think.
I think all others you can see it begin with the dermatologist, so it should have a dermatologist account,
Yes,
right?
it depends on yeah, it depends on user management. Okay, so you
Yeah.
can.
But we can go through it very quick. As we can add my to patient report. Yeah.
Okay.
To add comments.
Okay, the
As a
next.
patient, I want to be notified. All this is mentioned about the
Yeah, we need user account management for this.
way we need it. We need
Yes.
it. Yeah. Also chat function also need it.
Yes.
This one also. Oh, this about chat functions, message.
Mhm.
Yeah, chat history, chat. So maybe we can
Yeah,
begin to
this
do
one.
user
Yes.
management system this sprint.
Yes. Oh, skin 30. 1 minute. Read the user story as a.
Sorry.
Oh, okay. As a patient, I want to sign up so that I can store my basic information and access personalized services. Okay. And acceptance criteria should be the patient can
The
create.
patient.
Oh, I don't know what is patient. What happened?
I don't
What
glitch in the
happened?
matrix. The patient can access a registration page requiring full name, email address, password creation, date of birth, post registration.
What is post registration?
I think you can remove post registration. Oh, no, no, no. We have a point. Post registration, the patient can log in and update.
Okay.
Yes, you can. Yeah, yeah. I can. You can move it into sprint to backlog.
Yeah. Very true. Also, this one, the
Yes,
employee.
Abhi, you can read the next story, please.
Yeah.
The 31, okay. So as a
The 31.
dermatologist, I want to sign up so that I can access the patient report and provide professional feedbacks. So over here we can, the acceptance criteria is the patient can log in user using the registration email and the password.
Oh, it
So
should be the dermatologist can log in, right?
yeah, so we have to change it.
Oh, click on it. It's unsaved changes. That's why maybe. Can you
I
click on it
don't
once?
know. This is Jira.
No, because the
Let's see
changes were
that.
not saved. That's why maybe. So
Thank you, Jira. You are
yes,
so good.
yeah, you can move it to sprint to backlog. This is also use dermatologist sign up.
Okay.
Yes. Back. Can you read the next user story, please?
Yes. Which
This
story?
one, this one.
Skin
I
32.
already.
The one is
As okay. As a patient, I want to log into my account to so that I can manage my cases and fill diagnosis. And the patient accesses a login page requiring email address, password. Upon successful login, the dermatologist
Patient.
is directed
the
to
patient
their
is
dashboard.
yes. I think this we can do it in yeah, it's all user management. You can move it to sprint
Into
to. Yeah, Pujita, you can read the next story, please.
As a dermatologist, I want to log in into my account so that I can manage patient reports and update case status. Can you change the spelling of status?
No, it's good. Status. Oh,
Statuses.
yeah, it should be status, right?
yeah.
We don't know, but we
Statuses.
can
No,
write
no,
it.
it's right. It's right. Like as in
Yeah, yeah,
like
yeah. It's fine.
multiple cases.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
acceptance criteria.
acceptance criteria is like the dermatologist access a login page requiring he has to put email address and password. Upon successful login, the dermatologist is directed to their dashboard.
Yep, this move this
Yes.
to
Yes.
Print.
sprint to as well.
Okay, so we have 35 points in this spring. That's okay?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, good.
What about
So,
others?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
okay.
It's okay.
Yes. Okay with it.
Yes, Tanzil.
and,
Yes.
and
So now we have to assign, right?
Now, Leslie, we can do one by one. One by one, we can go and we can create epic. We can do
right.
epic also.
Yeah, then we will go through it one by one and discuss about the detailed steps of the every one user story and also the DOD and everything. Okay.
Oh, can you go back to the last
What's last one?
to the checklist ones?
Please. Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Sorry. You go on to Jira. Okay.
So let's go through from the first one.
From the first one, we can start from the first one.
Do
68.
you want to go through the user stories will remain from the sprint?
No,
Yes.
start from the top,
No, no,
maybe.
yes. The ones we know are carried on from sprint one, you can read those first. Yes.
Because we don't have like we don't have tasks of this too, so maybe we can go through it very quickly and create task for them.
Okay.
Yeah. So can somebody read it?
Yes, Tanzil.
As a patient, I want to be notified if the app cannot determine a diagnosis so that I know additional input may be needed.
I don't know. So there's some like situation our model can't provide a result.
Yes, as in like uh, an unaccepted format it is uploaded. Suppose you upload a PDF file. No, PDF is good. Like a GIF or a .txt file.
Oh, only
It-
if the like import format is not allowed that the
Yes.
model can't provide like result. But if the like format of the input is good, so anyway model will give a result, even
Yes.
the accuracy is very low.
Yes.
So should we have this one?
I think this is already we covered it in sprint
Yeah,
one.
we
You know,
already test this one as a
if the
test
format
case.
is not good, if you know if the patient uploads any other format, they get a warning.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah,
Yes, Tanzil.
yeah.
It will more come in test case, right? Rather than choosing at as user story.
Yeah, no, the thing is we did already this in sprint one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
so
think
maybe we can
you can
remove
delete this
this,
one. Yes, you can delete this one.
delete it.
No, 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 don't delete it. Oh, the thing is, this is carried on from sprint one.
Uh-huh.
Okay. The thing is, we did not implement it as we were supposed to implement it. The thing is, uh, what you call, what we planned on doing is the button to get result is always visible.
Yeah.
Okay. And suppose I upload use a patient uploads a GIF format and click on this button, then he should get a warning.
Yes.
But instead, what we did is uh, the button will only be visible once you upload a good image like PDF or JPG format. Then only you will get a button.
Yeah, I think both okay.
Yeah. So I think with this already done, you can change it to done.
Uh, but I
If
think it's not the same thing. Because we think we don't need this function now because
no, the thing
our
is,
model can always give the result if it have a good import.
no, the
Because
thing is,
when I create this user story, I think maybe sometimes model can't give a result, you
no,
know.
the thing is, what this user story is basically, this user story is, suppose if I, as a patient, if I upload a GIF, okay,
Yeah.
then the button to get results is not available at all. Like
Um,
on our home screen, there is a button to upload an image, okay, and when you upload a proper format of image, then only you will get a button to analyze the image.
okay.
So this we already did it. You can change it to in progress to
But this user story is not about the format. I think it's like if the import and everything is okay, and maybe because I don't know about the model last spring at the beginning, so I
Maybe
create
this
this user
user
story
story is more about
like yeah.
maybe
put as
you can
symptoms.
no
But
you
I
can
think it's not used to do this user story now
no,
because
you can change it to, you can change the user story instead of removing it. You can change it to, I want to be I want to get a warning. No.
Uh-huh. Because
Uh,
it's not about the format. It's like
Yeah.
because in the last spring I don't know about model. So I think maybe sometimes maybe model even the import is available, maybe sometimes the model can't give a result or something, or maybe the accuracy is very low, like 10% or something. Maybe model can give a warning to the patient, uh, but after the sprint one, I learned something about model, and as you said, our model can always provide a result. So I think it's not necessary.
Yeah, you can remove this user story then. Like as Tanzil said, in test case, we already.
Yeah, we already done it.
Yeah.
So I just delete it or something.
Yes.
Okay, this one.
Yeah. As a patient, I want the AI model deployed to the cloud so that it can be trained faster on a larger data set, allowing me to receive more accurate and reliable diagnosis result. So this should be a technical story.
Yeah.
It should be
Okay,
as a developer.
developer.
I want the AI model deployed to the cloud so that it can be trained faster on a larger data set, allowing me to provide more accurate and reliable. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
And acceptance criteria. The model is trained on a cloud platform, allowing distributed CPU or GPU resources to reduce training time. A larger data set is used for training, improving the model's accuracy and reliability.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So
Okay.
this is carried on from sprint
Sprint
1. So
one.
we almost finished like
Yes.
60 to 80% of it, and
Yes.
you can assign this to.
Not assign user stories. We should create tasks now and create a DOD of the task and assign
Oh,
tasks
yeah.
to people at the end of the.
Yes.
So, what should we do? We can think about this. First we should decide what cloud platform should we use, and we should create the VMs for anyway, CPU or GPU both okay, but we should have a VM, right?
Yeah, first
Yes.
the task is to create an account on the
Any cloud
platform.
platform.
We decided to do it on GCS, right?
GCP.
GCP.
GCP, yeah, sorry, GCP. So Google Cloud Platform, create an account
And
on,
VMs, I think.
create account on
GCP.
GCP and create VMs.
Yeah.
Okay. This can be a task, and then
What happened? I hate this Jira. Okay.
where is the task?
Create and platform and create VMs.
Yes.
And DoD should have a
DoD. It's like no that and DoD can be share the credential, like whoever we assign it to, they should share the credentials with everyone. So you can, this is very important.
Yes.
Screenshots.
No, just
No,
share the
credential.
Share
the credential that any can view
Yeah.
it anytime.
Share the what?
credentials of
Credentials
any.
from the team.
Oh, 1 minute.
One can add it.
Not
You can look in chat, please.
Oh, you mean, okay,
Credentials, yeah.
that's everyone can add it.
Share
not
credentials in
everyone
group.
can access the account.
You mean invite everyone into the
Yeah,
project?
so that everyone can, try working on the VMs.
One approved, right?
Yes. And as well as, okay, yeah, I think this is,
Okay, and then
then the next is to to the thing is we don't need to write like load the data and all this, right? We can just write train the model, right?
yeah, I think first one we should have a okay, we can train or deploy. Okay, deploy
So
maybe.
first you have to train it and then you deploy it, right?
Yeah.
No,
Or first we deploy and then we train it? No, we
it's
will
at
No.
the same time. When you deploy your training model like a script to Claude, it will train on the VMs.
Yes.
okay. No, but then we will again deploy the saved model, right? For training,
Yeah.
deploying it on for you are doing training on the cloud, and after saving the model to get our results, then we will deploy again, right?
Yes.
Oh,
So for
I
Ye-
think
training deployment,
deploy means when you means also train and save, I think.
No, it's like once our model got trained,
then we will
then
deploy.
then we have to deploy it
Yes,
so it can predict it.
yes. So the thing is, first deployment is for training. This is not a task. Like, we have to that, it comes under training.
Yes.
Okay, okay. We
So
can
just write the train the model
train the model
with the large data set.
Train the model,
larger.
data set that was decided. Larger data set that was decided. In the last
It's okay. We
meeting.
know what this is. Because we need another task for the dataset. Because the dataset need to be prepared.
It's see, the thing is we don't need to write one step, like pre-processing, do feature engineering, training the model, done, everything is under this.
Yes.
And then you can put deploy the model. Next task you can create is deploy the model.
I think you
Oh,
mean save the model on cloud or not.
Yeah. No, once the model got trained, then we have
Yeah.
to deploy in the cloud. It's the same thing.
Yeah, it's same step. It's same thing.
no, the training is done,
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
we save it and then we deploy it. So this deployment is
Uh,
necessary
you
for
can
our.
search about what is deployed. Deploy is not a deploy is a step. It's like
Yes.
um when you do something about cloud and Docker, that means deploy.
See, that's what after we train the model, we deploy it to the cloud, so our application can send API and get the predicted diagnosis. So our request will go to this deployed model. Our APIs will go to this deployed model to get predicted diagnosis.
Um, how can I explain this to you?
No, Leslie, just
Mhm.
think one thing. Once your model got trained, then
Yeah,
what is the next step?
save it.
Save it, okay? And what is the next step after this?
Use it.
Use it.
How
The
will
use,
you use?
yeah.
No,
How to use,
okay,
use API to use.
no, I got what she's saying. She's saying we deploy the model, or we deploy and then we train the model.
I mean, deploy and train model is the same step. If we train model on cloud, it's already deployed.
Oh, is it already deployed or we have to deploy
No,
it again, Abhi?
like once we get the train model, okay, so we have to save in cloud.
Because the training is on the cloud, you know. The training is on the
No,
cloud.
Leslie,
See, the
once we
thing
train,
is, after
yeah,
training the model, where are we saving the model? In the
On
local
cloud. But
machine,
the
on
training
the
is also
cloud.
on the cloud.
yeah,
So it is already on the cloud. There's no
Yeah.
need to deploy again. We can use
Yes.
directly
Yes.
from the
That's
cloud.
what I mean.
Yes, but the thing is, see, what should I say? How should I tell you? It's like
And the save, you
it's like
can't say
yeah,
save is
it's like
deploy because it's not in the Docker.
see, the thing is, it's like not only on GCP. Like as of now, we are training it on GCP. What if like so we get another idea like to deploy it on AWS,
yeah,
right? For example, I'm saying, for example, now we have to deploy it on some another Google Cloud platform.
Okay.
We want no, not on now we are training it on GCP, but I like suppose I want it to be deployed on AWS.
Okay. Okay.
So then it's a different step.
So Leslie,
We
you
are
are
doing it
talking,
together.
yeah, you are talking about the training deployment, and we are talking about the after training the deployment.
See, the
Okay.
thing is, what you are saying is, I get it. Our cloud, our everything, our model is already on the cloud, so we don't need to deploy it again, right?
Yeah. Yeah. That's what
Yeah.
I mean.
Yeah, but as of now, we don't know where we are going to like. Suppose in few, like in the upcoming sprint, if I want to deploy it on AWS,
Okay.
then it's a new step.
Okay. Okay.
Or
Okay.
else maybe you
Yeah,
can change skin 74 to deploy and train the model.
Okay. Both okay.
yeah.
I don't know. I can understand. I can get you now. Deploy and save.
No, save,
74.
deploy, save and deploy.
Okay.
Because first we save and then we.
I hate Jira. It's so.
Deploy to the cloud, right? The cloud.
Okay, I think this three. Oh, we have to write DOD.
Yeah, we need a DOD. We should have a
We should be
like
able to
mode
um,
on call.
get the diagnosis directly from the
No,
cloud.
that is we need to you know we need to get the route on where to send the API. Like our app needs a route, right?
Yeah.
HTTP. We need this route where our model is. We train the model and we deploy it on cloud, right? Now from SkinLens, we write a code. So if we get a request from the front end, like user send us a request, then we have to send this request to our model, right? It's like from front end we get a request. Our backend gets a request from the front end. Then our backend needs to send request to this deployed model.
Yeah.
So we need the route of this deployed model, like the link, the URL. We need it.
I mean the API, right?
Yes, so you can write like like once the model is deployed, share the not share the because we already know it, right? But then uh, where do you go? And you can
Maybe create
share.
API or something.
No. You can just share the link of deployed model with the group.
Mm, share, share the what once again?
Link. Yeah, Abhi.
Link of.
You're mute, Abhi. You're mute.
Not mute my computer. I don't know.
Hello,
It's
it's for me.
No, not you.
Like
Abhi was mute.
we already shared the credentials of our GCP, so like we all have the links.
No, the thing is, we are training it on GCP as of now. We don't know where we are deploying it.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's
good.
keeping that in mind.
Test it. I think this model should be maybe test or something, and
Yes.
we should have mm, the accuracy and
Aha, see, the thing is, this should be in the DoD of 74. Have the accuracy.
DoD is for tasks.
Yes, skin 74. Train the model. We didn't write DoD
Okay.
for
Okay.
74. This one should be in
So
74.
maybe this. Okay.
This is good here. Yeah.
Let's discuss about the training model first. So this one should have a like uh
No. This should have a high accuracy.
testing and 20 or more skin conditions. Right.
Yes.
We test the maybe and evaluate, right? Evaluate.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Yes.
And should it like be pushed to a GitHub or something?
No. See, the thing is, we will download the file and we will push it, but it's like we
But
don't need
where can we like see the code, you know?
yeah on Git. Yeah, you can like push the code to GitHub. Just it's like just to see the code.
Push code to GitHub. Maybe someone can review the code, right?
No, the thing is, no. You can remove this teammate. Write push code to GitHub after have a model be tested and evaluated. That means it is getting tested, right? Someone else will test it.
The testing and evaluate is more about like test the function of the
So
model.
yes, that's what tested and evaluated as
But
in you
maybe
get a.
someone can review the code, you know.
No, the thing is, if the model is giving is has a good accuracy, that means it is already good.
Mm,
You check the model like you review the model by its accuracy.
okay.
So you can write after high accuracy, you can write first point should be third point.
You mean this one?
No, the first point, push code to GitHub should be after with high accuracy.
Okay.
Should be third. No, no. Yeah, yes. Then the next. Have a good and tested model.
Log. Maybe it should have some usable API or something.
No, it does not have an. Oh yeah. Yes. Yeah, you can write. It should have a functionable API. Yes.
Yes.
See the no, the thing is, push the code should be in save and deploy. Like after saving, you will save the model and then push it to GitHub, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, that you'll save it as .ipy ipynb or .h5. So then you push it in
So
70.
where is the training scripts?
See the training script, like models, saving the model can be as a notebook also, as a script also. Once you do it,
But the saved model is not includes the training scripts, I think.
no, the thing you can save the model as .pynb also. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I get you. Okay, you can just save it. Yes.
You know.
Yes.
Because we are doing a like student project, I think all code should be like open
On
source.
GitHub. Yes. You
Yeah,
can
with
just do it. Everyone else, speak up, please. It's like
yeah, say
Alexi and
something.
I are talking to each other.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, save it.
Yeah. Yeah, and I think we should have something about database because we mentioned about we should have a larger database, but we didn't mention about how about this larger database. We need a new database or do something about our previous
See,
database.
it comes under train the model. Like
Yes.
train the model with larger data set. It includes like, pre-processing our data, everything.
It will be in the GCP, Google Cloud, right? Database.
Database is in Google Cloud.
No,
Yeah.
the thing is,
Yeah.
you don't need to mention it separately, like, because in training includes everything.
Yeah. Without data, we can't train the model.
Okay. Because I think maybe it's steps because tasks should be more detailed about, but it's okay. So let's move to
No,
Leslie,
we have to, yeah, Abhi.
yeah, it's just we have to upload the data in GCP. That's it.
Just load.
Okay.
Just load the data. So
Yeah.
we don't need to write the step.
You can, Leslie, you can first assign this user story.
What? Assign what?
You can assign this user story to someone and the tasks to someone. You have to assign it to team members.
We should create all tasks first and assign the task
Oh,
not the
okay.
story.
Okay, sorry. Okay.
Go
Yes,
ahead.
Tanzil, you saying something?
No.
Okay.
आपके सामने कोई बोल सकता है क्या?
From the first point, Leslie, we finished the user stories that were carried on from sprint 1. So we can go on from the first one.
Go from which one? You can
First.
tell
First one.
68.
the number
68. 68.
68.
Yes.
Okay.
Development
68 technical user story. As a developer, I want to write a technical paper so that I can document its blah, blah, blah.
So that let me continue. So that I can document its technical aspects and design decisions for future reference. And acceptance criteria is the technical paper is reviewed by team members. So who wants to take up this? Does anyone want to?
No, we should create task first and
Sorry.
assign
Okay.
What we should do now is decide the story points if you want to modify it and spread the user story
Okay.
to the task as most detailed. Yeah.
Okay, I got you. Okay. So I don't think we need to create tasks inside this.
Yeah.
I think it's good like this.
Maybe write just write like technical paper.
Okay.
Paper.
No,
And we can assign to everyone.
No, it's not to everyone, but you can put write technical paper. Click on write technical paper. Click on skin 76.
Yeah.
In DOD, you can write according to IEEE format.
According to what?
Capital I.
Capital.
No
Capital
hyphen.
E.
No hyphen.
No hyphen.
Triple E.
I triple E. E.
Yeah.
I
ice cream I.
E.
E.
Yeah.
Yes. Format.
Model.
Space. Format.
My God.
I triple E format.
No, that is mentioned in our
I heard about this word, but I don't.
No,
This format is a little bit, professional.
No, IEEE means international engineering something.
Yes. International.
But the thing is, it's mandatory to do this in IEEE format because professor mentioned it in the deliverables. He mentioned it. Like paper should be according to IEEE format. So there is already a format. We just have to edit it.
Okay. Thank you for
enlightening.
I just know it now.
Okay.
Bye.
It's basically an international organization which has all the codes and papers.
Okay.
The standard codes. And save it.
It's done. That's okay.
Save.
Yes.
Save.
Reviewed by it shouldn't be reviewed by everyone, but okay.
So can do.
And the 3 points is okay for everyone, right?
Technical paper 3 points is okay. Yes. Then you have Abhi, you can read this story.
As a developer, I want to create test case for Sprint 2 user story so that I can view the new functionality and introduce in the Sprint 2. So the acceptance criteria is the test case are written for each user story, including Sprint 2. Each test case include test objectives, preconditions, test steps, accepted results, and post condition.
Yes, okay.
Great task. Okay.
Why we are writing again?
No, we are creating tasks.
Already there, right?
Here test cases, what you call evaluate the what do you call, run the test cases?
I think it's just a create test case. It's not like do the test.
Then the next one should be do, right? We should also run it, right?
It's like after you do everything, after every step in the development, you can record it in this table of the test cases.
Okay.
It will have a column for like who tests it and the result is what. Like
Oh, so okay. Okay.
So I think
I think DOD should be create like
create it on Google Sheet maybe.
no, it is definition of done.
Yes.
It should not be on Google Sheet. It should be in a Word file, in a PDF or Excel format.
I think both. Okay, both.
No, but Google Sheet is not required.
But
We don't
you
have to.
will. But you should like fill in the table after you complete your part development.
Okay.
And after that, I will.
Yeah, everyone can edit it. Okay.
Then someone will download it.
Okay.
So both maybe Excel.
No, okay, both Google Sheet and Excel according to what you call according to the acceptance criteria.
Yeah.
Write it both. Create test cases according to the acceptance criteria. No, not this. In DOD,
What?
you can write test cases are created according to acceptance criteria. Test cases are created according to the acceptance criteria.
To AC.
Yes. Save it.
Think maybe it should be reviewed or something. Reviewed everyone. Right.
Yes.
Okay.
So the next.
This one we already complete, right?
Yes. Yeah. Bangling, you can read this.
Yep. As a hold on a second, but I think Tens already read it before, but I can do it again. As a patient, I want the app to recognize more skin conditions so that I can get a wider range of diagnosis.
I think we already have this one test.
Yeah.
Same thing. Train the model, right?
No, you can go up. No, once go up. Go on top. Go top. Go on top. Move. Top. Up. Okay, so I want the AMO deployed to the cloud, and so 61 and 62 are. Oh, the thing is 61 is only deployment. 62 is about training and all. Okay, 1 minute. As a patient, I want the app to recognize more skin conditions so that I can get a wider range of diagnosis, and the acceptance criteria will be okay, model performance. In acceptance criteria, you can remove the second point because it's not related to patient. In acceptance criteria of this, it's same. Go right side. Yeah.
This one.
Remove the second point.
Was validated with the expanded conditions set.
What do you mean? The second one?
Yes, second. Yeah, model performance is validated. You can remove this.
Why?
It has nothing to do with this user story. It has
Hmm?
nothing to do
Because
with the patient.
the most important thing is we should have a larger data set.
Yes, more
That
condition
we can implement more skin conditions.
Yes, but
Yeah.
accuracy has nothing to do with model performance, has nothing to do with this user story. Model performance has no, it's like as a patient, I want to get wider range of skin diseases. I don't care about your performance.
What? Is AC not user story, man?
What? No, it's the second acceptance criteria is model performance is validated with the
Yeah.
expanded condition set. This can be in the
Okay, this is about validate, but you think it's not about validate, right?
no, this should not be in this story. It should be in the next user story. You can see as a patient, I want the diagnosis accuracy to be improved. Okay, in this you can say model performance is validated.
Why
You
not this one be validate? I
can
don't
you
understand.
can you read user story 63 once, please?
61,
63.
63.
63. Yeah.
It should be in this. Performance should be in this. See, 62 is basically I just want more results. Like I like as a patient, I like in our app's description, it will be written like, okay, this app will recognize 20 diseases. So as a patient, what I want is like, to get as many diseases as possible, like, wide range of diseases. I don't care about performance in this.
You mean so what you consider is which word in this sentence? Performance or validate or set?
Just remove the second point. Model performance is validated
Yeah.
and its skin condition. Yeah, that's good.
Yes, this is good. Accepting this is good. And
Okay.
and you can write, the app.
Because I think the model should be validate,
Yes, the model should be evaluated, but it has nothing to do with, it should not be in this acceptance criteria. Like as a patient, I want to get many diseases. Okay.
Yeah.
So how this acceptance criteria will be validation?
What I mean is like the tester should do make sure the model can recognize like 20 conditions.
Yeah, that's what the first point is. That's what the model is expanded to recognize 20 or more skin
The
conditions.
second point is okay, you think it's not validate. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Got.
Can save it.
Okay.
Okay. I think we have already put it in task in the previous user story
No, I
only.
think the most important step for this one user story is first we should have a data set includes more than 20 conditions.
Yeah, yes, you can write in this.
Yeah. Have a data set includes 20 or more conditions. Right.
Yes. You can move it to after 77.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. DOD.
What do you call?
Should we have a document or a code or something? You can consider of this thing. Like
No, the thing,
do we have
we are
document?
we are going to use a public data set, right? So
Yes. Maybe I don't know.
Yes.
so yeah, so you can maybe write uh share the link of public data set in the group.
Share
The group?
link
in our Slack group, so
of
everyone knows.
public
I've
data
already uploaded it in Google Drive.
group. I think we should have a list of
In conditions.
skin conditions. Right.
Okay.
And maybe CSV or something, I don't know. Because in the dataset, it will have like many things. We only choose part of this dataset anyway.
No, see, it goes under pre-processing, it comes under training the model, pre-processing and everything.
Yeah. Maybe we will do last filter or something in the training. Okay. That's
Okay,
good.
to the next user story.
Improve accuracy.
Yes, Pujita, you can read this user story, please.
Yeah. As a patient, I want the diagnosis accuracy to be improved so that I can trust the results. And the acceptance criteria is the model's accuracy is optimized with additional training data and model improvements. Target accuracy thresholds 80% are met for common conditions.
Yes, I think both of the acceptance criteria are correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. We can like train the model first, and if it not reach the our target accuracy, maybe we can seeking some like improvement
Yeah, we can.
of the model.
So hyperparameters can be, adjusted so that we get more accuracy. So it's okay. So I don't think we have to create tasks inside this, or
Yeah. Because maybe if we use the larger data set, the accuracy will be higher, and if it not reach our target accuracy, maybe we can do something else to improve it.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, so story points is 5. Everyone thinks 5 is good for this? Yeah.
I think it's
Yes.
Okay.
think maybe 4 because when
No, 4. No, we have to do it
4
according
is
to Fibonacci.
Fibonacci series.
Okay. Anything else?
Well-
Hi. What happened?
Okay. Then next is next, as a patient, I want to receive the diagnosis result as soon as possible so that I can act quickly if needed. And acceptance criteria corresponding to this user story is model processing time remains consistently under 1 minute for each diagnosis request. And if processing time exceeds the expected limit, the system informs the patient of the delay. Okay. So in what cases, like I'm asking a question, like in what cases it exceeds more than 1 minute? When does it exceed more than 1 minute?
No,
I
I
don't
think
think
it's
so.
very
Take
fast.
some time to get the API request. I don't
Yeah.
know.
So okay.
Sometimes getting the output, like the what disease it is, sometimes.
No, it will not take that much of time.
No, if it did, like if there is some connection error or something, if there is network issue,
API issue.
Yes.
yeah, if there is network issue, then it might, So okay, that's good. Okay, but I think you can change story points to 2.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Should we create some tasks? No, it's okay.
No, it's okay.
Okay. You want me move to next?
Yes. See a brief. Yes, Bangling, you can read this.
Yeah. As a patient, I want to receive a brief description of the diagnosis condition so that I can understand about the skin issue I'm facing.
Acceptance criteria.
Oh, okay. And after receiving the diagnosis, the patient is provided with a brief description of the diagnosed condition. The description is written in clear, understandable language. The description includes common symptoms and causes.
Okay, I think this is good.
Yeah.
I think story points for this should be more, because we have to uh, we have to create a Firebase account and store um, I think the dataset we decided does not have recommendations in it, so we have to manually create one
But
database.
we only have 20 conditions.
No, I think we have more than it's like 20 or more. I think we have more than 20.
Maybe 25, but I think it's less than 30.
Maybe you can make it 3, because we have to create an account, and we have to create a Firebase account for storing this data.
I didn't get you.
No, it's like our database. For our
Yeah.
database, we have to create. We are using Firebase, right?
Yeah.
So we have to create an account on Firebase, create a database. It's like you have to create one account, like you create account Google account, right? You have to create a
Maybe yes, but maybe not. Maybe it can like in the back end, because we only have like maybe 30. We can say 30 conditions that we can write 30 paragraphs in the back end. And for example, the skin condition diagnosis is eczema. Then we can
yes. Yes.
we can call this paragraph and display
Yes.
it.
Yes, that's what I
Maybe
mean.
not need a database.
No, it's better to put it in database,
Uh,
because what you call, we should not have much information in the code. It does not make it look, what you call, it's like too much of information in the code. It's not good.
okay, so
Like
you
you have
want
at least like
database for it.
it's like you can like a dictionary, like a JSON object, you can store it on database. So like if this disease, if predicted disease is acne, suppose,
Yeah,
then it
yeah.
will just fetch it from the database. Oh, okay, for acne, what is the recommended treatment?
Okay, okay. I
Okay.
can get you. It's okay. So we can have a database because, okay, okay, we can have a database.
We can just put it now as a database, and whatever is better, if it is better to write it in the code itself, we will write it in the code itself, and we can change it later here.
Okay.
Okay.
So first we need we need the content of the this description for the 30, maybe 30 conditions.
Yes.
And then we need to create a database for the conditions and fill them into.
Yes.
And we need to decide where and how the description will display on the user's screen. Right.
Yes.
Right. Let me write down the task and first we can create the content. Yeah. for brave function. Where is my F? And protein database. Great database for information. Okay. Okay, and so how and where you think
And
the content will display? Mm-hmm.
yeah, it will be just displayed in a paragraph tag. Like we are just making, we don't need to do it much fancy. We can just display it in a paragraph below the predicted disease.
Yeah.
We can just display a paragraph with recommended treatment.
You mean
like
under
like
the
brief
name of
description.
diagrams?
Huh?
Because now we have the image upload page,
Yes.
right?
So
And
yeah,
after we get the name of the skin condition, you want this brief description automatically display under the name, right?
yes.
So we don't need a new page, just under it
Yes, and
by
just
the old page.
yes.
Okay. Display the brief description under the name of the diagram.
Yes, you can write DOD for all of this.
Okay, let's do DOD. Create a database.
Yeah, you can write,
Review by someone.
create and share credentials of Firebase account.
Create and share the link.
No, credentials. Credentials.
Okay, credentials.
Of Firebase.
No.
Of the Firebase.
Firebase.
Okay.
Okay, so you won't use Firebase.
No, okay.
Right.
Yes, save it. Create the content for brief description and put it in database. You can just different DOD will be like what you call fill the data set. Like we already created it. So what the
I think maybe if someone assign this task, maybe another one can review and check the work for him.
no, the thing is someone is creating content on maybe an Excel sheet, okay? Then someone needs to put this into the data set.
Yeah.
So it just you can write like fill in the Firebase database.
Fill it in the database.
No. For what brief description?
See, Tanzil.
I think it just reviewed by everyone. That's okay.
Yeah, okay, reviewed by everyone, and then you can put and then fill in the Firebase database. You can write Firebase database is filled with this content.
Oh, I say put in database, right?
Yeah, but DOD should also be DOD. We are writing DOD. DOD should be
Okay, filled in
Firebase database.
Firebase.
Yeah,
Okay.
save it. DOD will be code reviewed by another team member.
Code reviewed by another team
member
code push
to GitHub. And what do you call
function should be passed.
there, and then yeah, and you should a brief description is displayed under the predicted diagnosis in an understandable language.
I think this should be included in the test cases, right?
Okay.
Right.
Yes. So
Done.
yes,
Done.
the next user story.
As a patient, I want to receive treatment recommendations so that I can take actions towards treating my skin conditions. And the essay is after receiving the brief description, the patient is provided with the treatment recommendations. These recommendations should be based on evidence and appropriate for the diagnosed condition. Information includes suggested over-the-counter remedies or when to seek professional medical attention.
Yep, I think this is good.
Yeah, we already have a database, so now we just create content and also.
No, we need to.
What?
No, it's like what do you call? See, the thing is, we created database for a skin condition. Oh,
Yeah.
now we have to create a database for recommended treatments.
We already have
or else we can write in the same database. We can fill it with like one more like what you call
attributes.
Yeah, one more attribute. Yes.
Yeah. So we already create a database for skin conditions. Now we create a new like attributes and fill in the new content, right?
Yes, you can create the content for.
Create the content for
recommended treatments.
Treatment
recommendations.
And fill in database.
Yes, and then you yep.
Let me just copy.
And then next should be display the treatment recommendations, the recommendations
under the
under the brief description. Yes. Yes, you can copy the DOD.
And how about the story points? You want to be larger or not?
Yes. No, how many story points is it for this?
But we already have 30.
No. The thing is, for this user story, it's 2. Maybe. Yeah, I think it's 2 is good. Yes.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah. Then next is.
I think this should be. This is.
Okay.
Report system.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yes. Tanzil, you can read this story.
As a patient, I want to review a comprehensive report of a case so that I have a complete record of my skin condition assessment. Acceptance criteria. Patients can easily create and access the report from their diagnosis page. The layout is user-friendly with clear sections and headings, and all images are displayed clearly within the report. The report contains case metadata, patient information, AI diagnosis of skin condition, and report metadata.
I think this is good. We can split it into tasks. What do you call it?
ఏమైంది?
So I think a patient maybe need a option or button to create this report, and they will be tend to move to maybe HTML or a new page of a report, right?
No. It will directly display a PDF.
Oh, okay. You want to directly display a PDF?
Yes. It will
Okay.
directly no, not like not a PDF. It will directly display what
A
you
new
call
page.
a new page. Yes. No, but what you can write is
HTML.
no, not no. But you cannot write it in task way. What you can write is create a template for the report.
Okay.
You need to have a first text. You need to have a create a template
A template
for the report.
report.
Okay.
So what's the format? I mean, it's a
It's a
page.
HTML page. It's a HTML page.
Right.
Just write template for report. Okay, it's good. Create a template for report, and then what it should be is uh, a button. Create a button to view the report.
A button to
View.
view. A button view report.
Yes.
And a new page, I think.
No. It comes under like we can display it on the same like we can think of it like how to work on it. Okay, I think that's it. 2 are enough. You can write DOD.
No, I think so. How can the patient see this report?
When he click on view report,
And they will move to a new page or something.
it depends on how we are going to do this.
Okay, so if you have if the assigned person make a decision, maybe we can.
Yeah, but yeah, we don't need to
But
write
we
in.
didn't make decision now.
Yeah.
But maybe we can discuss and make decision now.
No, I think we can come up with more ideas later on.
Because last sprint we didn't like make a decision of like how many pages should we develop in the planning meeting. That we waste a lot of time on this misunderstanding.
No, I think it will get sorted out this time. I think it's not much of a problem. We can do it in later stages. It will just extend the time of the meeting. We will get diverted from our main.
Okay.
You can get DOD for both of them.
Yeah, already.
Create a template. A template is
Code.
yeah. You
Right.
can write code is
Uh,
you can write maybe a report is created according to the acceptance criteria.
what?
No, this is good, and you can also add
Yeah, see, big.
Report is created according to the AC.
Report. You mean content, right?
Yeah,
Content.
report content is according to the AC.
According to see.
Yes. Save it.
Same.
Yes, same. Yes. The next. No, I think that's it. Next user story.
Download.
As a patient, I want to download a comprehensive report of a case so that I can keep the document of my skin condition assessment. Okay, acceptance criteria is an option to download the report is available. The report provides a downloadable format, example PDF. The downloaded document displays the same layout as the web application. Yeah, I think it's good. AC and this is good. You can just write, a button,
Yeah.
download, a button, download report. Yes, that's it.
Next.
You can write same DOD for yes.
Okay.
The next user story.
Sign up.
Okay, now user management. Yes, as a patient, I want to sign up so that I can store my basic information and access personalized services. And acceptance criteria is the patient can access the registration page requiring full name, email address, password creation, date of birth, post registration. The patient can log in and update the profile information. Uh, you can remove the post registration second point because it does not in MVP. I don't think we need this, edit personal information later on. Like, yeah, you don't need this. Yes. What do you guys think about it? I think we don't need this in MVP. Editing personal information later.
Yeah, because we already have another user story about sign. So
Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
What it should be?
First,
Create
we
a
should have a database, right?
yes. Create a create a
Mhm.
user database.
Users. Also, Firebase.
Yes. And create a sign up page. Yes, I think that's it. Yeah, same as. No, I think. Okay, yeah. Get a sign up same as it is code is pushed to. Yeah. Then you can select this as user management. No, here Epic, yeah.
User.
User is 47, yes. User system.
Who can read this one?
As a dermatologist. Yep. No, you can go to 31. Yes. As a dermatologist, I want to sign up so that I can access patient reports. Uh-huh.
Mhm.
And provide professional feedback. Okay. So you can create tasks, create a sign up page. for dermatologists?
I think it's same one or not.
Yes, I think it's same. Yeah. Okay. In this task, we can do it,
But we need two buttons. One is for like patient
No, no,
one
no.
option.
An option, yes.
Um,
No,
for both. I think for both patient
users.
uh,
For both users.
users.
Okay. Then next, yeah. Next is as a patient, I want to log into my account, and the next user story is as a dermatologist, I want to log into my account. So you can change both to 51. Next also you can change the user system. Yeah, you can create a login page for both users.
Where to log in page for those users.
Yes.
No.
DOD should be
Same.
yes. And yep, I
Yeah,
think we
with that.
through.
With that. I think with that.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what's the next step?
I think we should discuss the report more detailed. You know.
I think this we can do it in another meeting, not in the
Okay.
planning meeting.
Okay, that's good.
You can go to our agenda.
Yeah.
What's the next thing?
So we have like 25 points.
35. Yes.
35.
35, and 31 in the previous. So I think it's okay.
Yes, because we have more time to put in this
Yeah.
sprint, so
Yeah.
I think it matches our capacity.
Okay. So first we have 3 weeks to development. You can reference our like timeline and checklist. Okay, 3 weeks. And everyone still promise like 20 hours per week or more.
Yes.
I can do 30.
Oh, okay, we can do 30. Everyone?
Yes.
Yes, 20 is good.
I think I can do 30, maybe 25. So, but we can write it.
Yeah.
Okay, so our team velocity in sprint 1 is totally 31. And our story points committed
35.
in sprint 2 is
35.
35.
Okay.
And do you think is there any risk maybe happens? We should be careful and handle the risk in this sprint.
Like from the backend when we send the API call to the deployed model,
What
there should not be
API?
any network issues.
Anyway, it will be on the cloud.
Yeah, but see, if I don't have my Wi-Fi connection is not good, I'm accessing the cloud, right?
Yes.
It will take time if my connection is not good.
Yeah, it will be on server instead of
Um,
on machine.
Server
yes, but
also we need
everything
Wi-Fi,
means
right?
internet, right?
Internet, right?
I trust Google.
No, even you trust Google, but you have to trust your Leica and your Spectrum, your T-Mobile to get But I think that's not, is that a risk or?
I think the risk is
Very well.
risk is I think maybe I don't have 30 hours can work per week, so maybe this is a risk because I have like some other works to do.
Okay. So maybe we can put like, everyone promises like 25 hours per week.
It's
We can
okay. I just want to see some risk, you know? Okay, I can think one risk is
Internet issue, right? Why you guys are not putting?
No, but if internet issue, then we cannot access our website only, no?
maybe someone will have holiday or like some
Oh,
do
yes,
illness,
yes, yes,
right?
yes. On November 11th, it's my birthday, so maybe I will not be available for.
I had to
Continue, guys.
Yeah, this is very important. Control the bill of cloud, yes.
Because my bill is boom.
Well, what does it mean? Your bill is one.
I also refund to Google.
Okay, did you get a refund?
It's in processing
Okay,
Okay,
cool.
so
How
yeah,
much charge you?
that's only the risk
because
we
I
have in
forgot
this.
to close
Yes.
the API and it's boom.
Okay, now okay, Leslie, we have I think only this risk, to control
Tanzil.
charges, and maybe we
Okay.
can go on to the next in the checklist.
Okay. Let's assign task and wait down.
Yes, right, technical
Everyone, I
paper.
think. But maybe someone can like create template and organize the work.
For everyone.
Yes,
Everyone should write the technical paper, but I think maybe we can assign someone to organize.
yes, who wants to take
Scrum
up?
Master.
No,
Me.
huh?
You want me to do that?
No. It's I don't want you to do.
You want to?
No, because I want you to do other stuff as well. That's why I don't want you to take
Oh,
up on this.
you have
Anyone else wants to take up this?
Yeah, you just need to like create template and
See,
uh
the thing is you don't need to create a template because we already have a template available. You just have
oh,
to we just have to edit it and then review everyone's work.
and maybe
You know?
organize like if
Yeah,
someone is delayed and you can ask him to,
yeah,
you know.
for the format should be good. Everything should be according to what is mentioned.
Yeah, and maybe you can check the format or something, and everyone should write the technical paper.
Yes.
Okay.
So, who wants to take this up?
Someone who want to raise hand.
Okay, you can give it to me. No one is ready. No one is
Is
ready to.
everybody here?
Because you only have the
Okay.
idea how to do that. So
Yeah.
you only
Okay,
can
so
take
yeah,
it.
you
I
can,
think so.
okay, everyone can write it, but I will review it. So you can assign
You
to.
want to? You want to?
Yes, I can do it.
You want to assign to them?
I want to assign to Zed. Yes.
Okay, this one.
Test
Software
cases.
testers. I think test cases should be are test create what you call. Suppose if one person is working on a feature, so he creates test cases for this feature, or
No,
software tester does, right?
no.
Software tester.
No,
Okay.
because we should create the task cases as soon as possible.
Okay, so who is the software tester? Who wants to create test cases?
I can create it.
Okay, so you can assign it to Tanzil.
You are the best.
Okay. Have a data set includes 20 or more condition.
I can do
This,
this.
yes.
I
I
have
can
it.
do this. I have
I
already,
did.
so
No,
maybe.
assign to Leslie.
You had already.
Leslie,
Okay.
you did already. HM.
Yeah, I already
Okay.
do this, and
Yeah, we
I
can just
already share
review it
in
later.
the Google Drive.
Yeah, we can
But
compare
it's
it.
not 20. I think I
16 plus 5.
export 18 or something.
16, 16.
See, the
Okay.
thing is, we can, as Pujita also has one data, we can compare it and then we can,
Yeah,
select.
we can do
Okay.
together.
Yeah. So the next is create an account on GCP and create VMs. So I think
Abhi?
Abhi can
Yeah,
do
We
this.
already do this.
yeah, I will do it.
Leslie, we are going to do this, okay? Yeah. So
Train the model with larger data
what
You
we
already
have,
have account, I mean.
yeah, but it's not done. It's not DOD.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not DOD yet because I don't have credentials. So
Yeah.
once, yeah. So next is train the model with larger data set. Yes.
Can
See,
take it.
everyone will give their inputs, everyone will review the code, but who wants to take this up?
I will do it. Me and
Okay.
Bilal.
Okay, Abhi, you can assign it to Abhi. Save and deploy the model on cloud.
Same as.
Yeah, same.
You know
Okay.
how to do like API, right? That can help you.
Okay.
Yes.
Because it's
But
not such easy to like create and apply API in a cloud service. Because I tried and it's
that
very
API needs to be
complicated because I don't understand the servers by cloud.
okay. Yeah, see, the thing is we can just assign now and then work on it later on.
Yeah. Just like reminder,
Okay.
friendly reminder.
Okay. Now we have next is create a database for skin condition on Firebase. I can do it.
Okay.
I
Wait.
can do it. Create the content for brief description and put in database. Who wants to?
Like what? What's the brief description?
Were you
Me.
not in the meeting till now? Okay, create a content for brief description as in about the disease. Like
Okay.
our model will predict disease, right?
I think Pujita already
Yeah.
began to
79
do
and
this.
81 are the same.
Put my name.
Yeah, you can assign it to Pujita. Banging
79 and
wants to-
81 both are same?
No,
Okay.
it's like if 79 is putting, creating, in the database, but 79 is to create APIs to
Content.
81 is to create an API to write the code to, get it from the database.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So 81 and Bangling, Abhi, everyone, whoever wants to take up, speak up, okay?
Yeah.
Yep, this I can do
Abhi
it
is
if
already
someone wants
have
to.
the
Create the content.
most important job.
I can do it.
Yeah.
You can do this.
Yes. Yes, create the content for treatment and you can assign this to Bangling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bangling?
Yeah,
You
yeah,
can-
sure.
Yes, okay. Weird.
Wow, you're not visible on the. Yep, so this is, the coding part to write an API to get the recommended treatment from the database.
Also,
Pujita, you can do it.
Yeah, I put for mine like a view report, download report, all those ones. And the other one too.
No,
Because I'm already doing in the
wait.
front end part, right? So
See, the thing is, it
Which one are you talking
front end as
about?
in these features are not only UI features, okay?
Which one are you talking about?
1 minute, Leslie, 1 minute. Pujita, this view report as in it is not only creating front end, okay? It's like complete. You have to fetch the data from the database and
Yeah.
then put it in the report and then display the report,
Yes.
right? You can do it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So no, one by one. Then where are we? Okay, okay. The next one, create a template. You can assign it to Pujita.
Mm.
And yes, Pujita, you can do this.
Yeah.
Okay, view report, download report. 85 and 86, you can assign it to Pujita.
Download.
Yes, you can assign, like, it's just a button. So
Not a button. I think it's also the function.
yeah, I mean, yes, it's like it's just one function, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then what we have, create a user database, create a sign up page, create a anyone wants to.
S-
You can take the database. You already
Sign
created
up,
one of the.
login.
Yeah, you can put all three to me, it's fine. I can do it.
You can do this. You want to
Yes.
assign to you?
Yeah, user management, I can.
User management, I have it, right? I'll give it to you. I'll
What?
send it to you.
What?
That login page.
No. It's not like it's different than what we
Oh, okay.
before. Yeah, you can assign these three to me.
Okay. And sign page, it's very easy. This one. Who want to?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, because it makes sense if only one person does the user management, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One more question. Like,
Yeah. And 1 minute. What can you 1 minute banging?
yeah.
You can change 79 to
79.
bangling.
Okay. Create the recommendations.
No, 79, right?
Yes, this one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yes, bangling.
Mm-hmm.
You
Yeah,
say something.
I have a question. Like, can you scroll down? Yeah, scroll down a little bit. Yep, here. And let me see. 18.5 and 86, a bottom field report for patient. I mean, that's for Pugita, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Pugita, like, I know she gonna create in the page, but should I just change the add button in Figma?
No, the thing is, we can discuss this,
Uh,
uh, we can discuss the design part later, okay? If we are going
okay,
to change our existing design or how we are going to do it.
okay, got it.
I think we don't need a Figma now.
Yeah, there's only few
Okay,
changes we
It's
can do.
done. Figma is done.
okay, got
Okay.
it.
Because the design is not the most important thing in our project. So we already have a protocol that's okay, that's done.
Mm-hmm.
So we
Okay,
just directly go to the front end, not Figma now.
Okay.
okay.
So
That's it.
Yeah, I think that's it.
yeah, you can go to my checklist once and let's go open the agenda and we can view once that.
You know the with this, then you should like create the test cases very soon.
Okay,
Okay.
so yeah, sprint goal with this okay, sprint goal we decided, backlog, capacity, risk management, tasks are assigned successfully, test cases,
Test
okay.
cases.
So I think yeah. So I think
I think we done.
yes.
Everyone know the responsibility, the task, and even the order. When should they do the task and this? Right.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So I think that's it for our sprint 2 planning meeting. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
Yeah.
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.